like a minister, chief minister of this bioregion for education. And you're like, hang on, this plant is a weed. It just grows everywhere. And we can get that on a lunch scheme for the schools. The implication of that is in one generation, diabetes is over. In one generation, you know, there's a lot of issues are like addressed just by using it. And it's not a compromise. When you eat this, like you'll have it in the samba tomorrow lunch and also in the morning in a different way. We'll use it in idli samba. Wild brinjal, turkey berry in English. Sundakai. In Tamil it's called sundakai. But it's not a compromise to eat it. It's not like, oh shit man, I wish I had Maggi noodles. It's tasty, it's very yummy, and yet super medicinal. And that brings us again to a recurring subject in the workshop, that food is medicine. And that we really shouldn't forget that. Then they also, if you, maybe instead of me taking it all out, you can just look inside. They also have some brinjals, some eggplants, and they have these lovely little capsicums.
That's capsicum?
Yeah, it's a mini it's a mini type of capsicum. It's not really spicy. And they have these long beans, lobia, what we call karamani in Tamil. And they have some lady's finger. And they have a few lemons as well. So they got like an awesome basket here. Like a really full-on basket. And all we're doing is just sharing what's there from the farm, you know. These people come all the way from Pondi to get it. They're neighbors and they both take the basket.